You're rocking with.
You are tuned into the greatest.
It's the one and only Mr. Robert McWilliams.
This is Robert McWilliams, your psychology instructor here at Bishop State Community College. And I wanted to kind of go over my experience at the SETOP2025 conference, that Southeastern Teaching of Psychology conference. It was held in Atlanta, Georgia, this past February. So during the last faculty meeting, I had a little difficulties in showing my slideshow. So hopefully you'll be able to check this out. And as I always like to tell my students, you can always fast forward this for my southern draw. So you can consume this a lot faster than maybe you would watching it at normal speed. So I want to highlight some of the presentations that I was able to see. The first keynote was AI has changed everything except how students learn. So Dr. Hammer at Xavier University of Louisiana kind of highlighted all the wonderful things that AI has brought to the table as far as in teaching in the classroom. However, she really accentuated how students still learn through certain means and certain ways. And so it was very thought-provoking presentation. Also, another presentation that really stood out, Dr. Karen Breaking, Let's Give It a Try, co-creating courses with ChatGPT. She teaches psychology. She's actually the department head of psychology at Spelman College. And one thing that really stood out to me is that she used complete OER for all of her psychology classes. And so she does talk about how she uses ChatGPT and other AI resources to create. And she also elicits the help of her students to help create content for a course, which I thought was kind of interesting. Navigating code switching in higher education was another presentation that was very thought-provoking to me. Support strategies for African-American students. So Dr. Leanne Price, she actually did this presentation in 2024. I thought it was so wonderful that I had to check it out again. I actually have the slides to this. So if this title captures your attention, let me know and I definitely can share it with you. Promoting student-created course content for challenging topics. This was presented by Georgia Institute of Technology, and basically they really showed how students who create projects in their classes those projects in essence cause them to have a better understanding of the subjects that they are learning. And for example, music training enhances memory recall. And so in this advanced neuropsychology class, students kind of demonstrate how they wrote a song about the process of how neuropsychology is demonstrated or whatnot. And so it was quite interesting. They actually did perform the song or whatnot. They actually created like a music video, animated music video, but it was very, very, very intriguing. Very intriguing. Mothering as pedagogy, care-centered teaching in psychology education. Again, this conference is geared towards those in psychology, but mothering as a pedagogy, and I think us in the community college world, we exemplify a lot of the caring that maybe universities don't necessarily give. But I thought this presentation was very inspiring. And creating emotional safety within our classrooms. This presenter talked about how it's good to make sure that we create a positive environment in our classrooms for students to learn. And she also kind of encouraged the professors to kind of make sure that they are emotionally ready and emotionally stable and create that environment in their classrooms where it's conducive for learning. So I got a chance to present Remixing the Classroom, Harnessing Edutainment and Student Engagement for a Dynamic Learning Experience. So basically, I kind of talked about edutainment, statistics on using media, ways to remix your instruction, and of course, software, hardware tools on that. So just giving you a teaser of what this presentation consists of. Think of your class as your own TV show. So incorporate previews, commercial breaks, use TV show excerpts, music videos, even game show themes. I really, really, really enjoyed attending and presenting at this conference. It was quite amazing. I have to say I had opportunity to present this topic of remixing the classroom at the Canvas Users Conference in October of 24. Also at ACCA in November of 24, and I will be presenting in the very near future at South Alabama's Center of Teaching and Learning Conference in May of 25, as well as the Alabama Educational Technology Conference in June of 2025. So thank you so much for watching. As always, I want to encourage you all, fabulous faculty, to have a great Bishop State Day. Thank you so much, and God bless.